Hello everyone. Today my topic is chromosomal disorder. Let me first introduce what is a chromosomal disorder. Right? Chromosomal disorder. Now, chromosomal disorder is the absence of presence of an extra chromosome or lack of a chromosome. Chromosomal disorders are caused due to presence বা absence of of chromosome in our body. So now let me talk about the first type of chromosomal disorder, that is Down syndrome, which is also called trisomy 21. Down's syndrome, which is also known as trisomy 21. Now, what are the effects of Down syndrome? Here, the chromosome number 21 is having 3 chromosomes, hence it is called trisomy 21. The effects of these are short, broad palm, then decreased muscle tone, then we can say small round head, and last we can say mental retardation, and then there are some other small factors, small symptoms. Mental retardation. Now this one. Now let me come to Edwards syndrome. Edwards syndrome. Now what is Edwards syndrome? It is trisomy 18. Chromosome number 18 is having 3 chromosomal pairs. So hence it is trisomy 18. Now what are the effects of trisomy 18? These are small mouth, nose, mental deficiency or mental retardation, and then also we can see receding mandible, and etc. Mandible, etc. Now I come to Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome. Here one X or Y gamete is missing. The chromosome number should be naturally 46, but here it is 45 due to the absence of one sex gamete. And the structure is somewhat like this, XO. Now the effects or symptoms of this syndrome are female with webbed neck, rudimentary ovaries, retarded sexual development, development, then short stature, etc. Now let me come to Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, we have an extra chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome. Here there is 47 number of chromosomes. Here the structure is somewhat X, Y. Now the symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome is sterile male with rudimentary testes. Some breast development. Tall with long limbs. Now this was about Klinefelter syndrome. Now I will come to Philadelphia chromosomal disorder. Philadelphia chromosomal disorder. This is such a chromosomal abnormality that causes chronic myeloid leukemia. Philadelphia Chromosomal Disorder. This is the chromosomal disorder that causes chronic myeloid leukemia. This occurs due to the short chromosome 22. Now I come to cystic fibrosis. This is due to chromosomal mutation in CFTR gene. In CFTR gene. Now the effect is pancreatic exocrine failure in children. Pancreatic exocrine failure in children. And this is sorry, I missed this point. 7. And this leads to a defective cyclic AMP dependent chloride channel function. Defective cyclic AMP dependent chloride channel function. So this was all about chromosomal disorder. First Down syndrome, then Edwards syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Philadelphia chromosomal disorder, and cystic fibrosis. Now once again I recap: Down syndrome, trisomy 21; Edwards syndrome, trisomy 18; Turner syndrome, where 45 chromosomes are there instead of 46 chromosomes, and the structure is somewhat XO. Klinefelter syndrome, where 47 chromosomes are there instead of 46 chromosomes, the structure is somewhat XXY. Philadelphia chromosomal disorder, where the chromosome number 22 is short and stature. Cystic fibrosis, where there is a genetic mutation in chromosome number 7 which leads to pancreatic exocrine failure in children. Thank you.